In this video, I'll show you how to combine PDF files online in just a few minutes. No software installation required. First, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome in this example, but any browser will work. Once your browser is open, head to your favorite search engine. I'm using Google, but you can use whichever search engine you prefer. Now move to the search bar and type Combine PDF. Then press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see several websites that allow you to merge PDF files. For this tutorial, I'll be using combinepdf.com. You'll find the link in the description below. Now click the website to open it. Once the website loads, look for the Upload Files button and click it. This will open File Explorer. Now navigate to the folder containing your PDF files. In my case, they're saved on the desktop. Next, select all the PDF files you want to merge. To select multiple files at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each file. Once you've selected all your PDFs, click Open. After the files finish uploading, you'll see them displayed on the page. Before combining them, make sure they're in the correct order. This is important because the final PDF will follow this exact sequence. If you need to change the order, move your cursor over a PDF. You'll notice the cursor changes. Now left-click and hold the file. Then drag it into the position you want. Keep rearranging the files until everything is in the correct order. Once you're happy with the order, move to the bottom of the page and click the Combine button. The website will now merge all your PDF files into a single document. After the process is complete, the merged PDF should automatically download. If it doesn't, you can manually download it from the website. Now open File Explorer. Then go to the Downloads folder on the left side panel. You should see your newly combined PDF file there. Double-click it to open it. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.